Hello everyone, welcome back to Grandma Saves for Two. I'm here with you, coming to you with a small Target Shopkicks deal. I wanted to use this Axe coupon, that says buy one Axe product and get one Axe body spray for free. So my grandson loves Axe, so he picked out these products himself. So, and on the self-watering grow kit, I seen this on somebody else's video, and I wanted to pick that up because Ibotta had a $10 rebate back on the kit. The kit was $12.99, so I got $10 back on Ibotta. So they made that grow kit $2.99. Let me see if I can get it a little bit closer for you so you can see exactly what it looks like. What's the name of it? It's Back to the Roots Self-Watering Grow Kit. And this one is designed for succulents and cactus. I wanted to try that one out, and I thought $3 for a kit was not bad. So this is how my receipt says. I bought one Axe. The body spray was $3.99. Then I bought an Axe 5-in-1 body wash that was $5.89. And then my grow kit was $12.99. So out of pocket I paid $18.88, and with tax it was $1.61, so it was $20.49. I didn't pay this one with my Ibotta money, so I paid this out of pocket. What I got back from Ibotta was the $10 for the grow kit and a 10-cent any receipt. Then Shopkicks, I got 1,000 points, which is pending, equals $4. Fetch, I got 58 points for the Axe body spray. So if you take away my $18.88, take away what I got back from Ibotta, which was $10.10, that drops that down to $8.78. Then Shopkicks, I'll be receiving $4. That drops that down to $4.78, and then I'm not gonna add in the fetch points. So I started out with $18.88. I end up spending $4.78. I didn't think that was too bad, especially on the Axe products. So, but that's all I have for you guys today, my small Target shopping trip. I don't do too many Target shopping deals, so I said I was going to try this one out, so with the Axe. Alright dears, I'll talk to you guys later. Happy shopping, happy savings. Bye bye.